Hi, this is What You Looking At, another What You Looking At production. Today we have the accuracy test of my Class Army mp5 A2 B&T. Just to let y'all know, I know a couple of y'all saw my videos of the pool dirty. There you go. Crystal blue, made it myself. We're going to go ahead and do the 25-foot test here. I'm going to zoom us in some. Here, let me adjust the camera. Okay. Here's the first test. It's on the top left of the screen, so that's 25 feet. I'll show the end results in a minute. We'll do 10 shots from here and then 10 shots close up for each angle, or for each distance, I mean. Okay, I'm going to shoot a couple bullets first. These aren't shooting at the target, just to adjust the hop up. Okay, looks like my hop up's good. I'm going to go ahead and shoot at the target when we get over here. I'll do about 5 more. Okay, after the close-up of 25 feet. Okay, 10 more shots, 25 feet. Okay, that's it for the 25-foot test. Okay, here's the 50-foot test. 10 shots here, then 10 shots close up. Okay, the wind picked up a little bit. It's barely varying though. I'm hitting the target every time. Let's get the clip. Okay, that was the 50-foot test. We're going to adjust the target for the 100-foot test now. Okay, here's the 100-foot test, just to show you that I'm not faking it, because I know some people are like, oh, he's messing it up. This is where I'm at, after the target's at, and if you can see me on the screen, I'm shooting from right there. So let's go ahead and do this test. 10 shots. Here's just the general view of the target. Okay, now let's get a more close-up view of that. You probably can't see anything. I can barely see it, but I can see the BBs. Okay, there's a close-up. I'm going to go ahead and do 10 more shots for the test. Okay, that's the test. I'm not going to take any pictures, so let's just get a little close-up here of the targets. 25 feet. I said I adjusted the aim a little bit, but I also had to do 2, which were consistent right there. Then I fixed my aim, as you see. And all these are 2-inch groupings, just to let you know, comparing it to my fingers. So yeah, pretty tight grouping at 25 feet. That would be CQB arena. maybe a little bit farther. Then here's 50 feet, mostly or half CKB, starting to get in the field. You know, when I use my sniper, use the mp5 as my backup, that's where I'd be at. That's a general about 6 to 7 inch grouping right there. That's still pretty good. A lot of them in or around the bullseye. And then going down to the 100 foot, I pretty much had the same amount of grouping, but I had a couple more centered there to the bullseye. I think all of them hit, probably one didn't hit, but that's it. You can sit here and count them for a second if you want to. I did 20 shots on each target. So yeah, overall the gun's pretty accurate. The hop-up adjustment is the best on any mp5 I've seen. You can definitely tell the difference. On my mp5, I just have to turn it up a little bit to get a straight BB at more than 150 feet, making the gun perfect. Here's just a little overview of the gun again, because, you know, I absolutely love this gun. If y'all have any questions, make sure to ask me. Really nice gun. This has been a What You Looking At production. Make sure you subscribe, comment, rate, and request. This is What You Looking At out. Okay, I know I said the video was over, but thought I'd go ahead, flip the target upside down, and since I'm out of targets myself, the paper targets, I'm going to shoot at one of the targets that's barely shot up, and we are going to do a 150 foot test. It's going to be from there. Let me zoom out. I'm about 40 feet away from it already, from all the way down there. We're going to go ahead and do that. That's probably the max distance you'd want to be away from an enemy if you're going to shoot the gun at them, 150 feet. But of course, this gun can probably shoot up the distance of at least 200 feet. So we're going to go ahead and see what we do. I've adjusted the hop up somewhat, but I'm adjust it, you know, as I'm shooting the target also. That's as much as I can zoom in. I'm going to shoot probably 30 to 40 shots. Snap that probably 20 shots just to show you that I'm actually hitting the target. Okay. Okay, set up. Go ahead and go down there. We're going to see what we can do. Okay, that was just 100 feet. I'm going to move back a little bit more since I got my aim down. Now this is your fully automatic. Just clean out the rest of the mag. Okay, that's it. Hopefully that turned out great. The first 5 or 10 bullets were from 100 feet. Then I went ahead and changed it to 150 feet. Wrap the video up here. Hope you all enjoyed it. This has been a What You Looking At production. I'm out.